our mattress factory. We take pride in our high-efficiency assembly line that is engineered to deliver exceptional production capacity while meeting diverse customer needs. Our streamlined workflow, from raw material inspection and core fabrication to layered lamination, quilting, edge sealing, and final quality testing, ensures seamless coordination across every stage, enabling us to handle large volume orders with consistent speed and precision. We excel in flexible manufacturing to accommodate varied requirements. Support. Our assembly line is fully equipped to partner with brands for OEM projects. We strictly adhere to your design specifications, quality standards, and branding demands, whether for standard product lines or customized series, ensuring on-time delivery of bulk OEM orders without compromising on quality. Custom size capabilities beyond standard mattress sizes: twin, full, queen, king. Our line is adaptable to produce mattresses of all custom dimensions, from compact RV camper mattresses and narrow bunk bed sizes to extra-large or irregular-shaped designs. Advanced cutting and lamination equipment allows us to switch between size specifications quickly, supporting both small-batch custom orders and large-scale custom production runs. Backed by a professional production team and real-time order tracking system, we guarantee reliable order fulfillment, whether you need 100 units for a local retailer or 10,000 plus units for global distribution. Our assembly line is where capacity meets flexibility, making us your trusted partner for all mattress manufacturing needs.